Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a Christmas ornament inspired by one of our household favorites, Carol of the Bells. It's my daughter's favorite Christmas song, so you'll see me personalize this ornament with her name to make it extra special for her. What I love about this design is it is so quick to stitch out and it fits a 4x4 embroidery hoop. So it makes a perfect, fast, and festive make. You only need a few materials: thread, tearaway stabilizer, canvas, a little low lap batting, and ribbon, and that's honestly it. What really gives this ornament its charm is the sketched effect on the bells, ribbon, and star, finished with a tiny satin border for that crisp, polished edge. The overlook is traditional, which pairs beautifully with the timeless feel of the song, but don't be afraid to play with color. You can go classic with gold and red, or try cool silvers and blues for a wintry vibe. Mix and match to fit your tree or your holiday palette. Now, if you want full step-by-step instructions on making ornaments like this, be sure to watch my In the Hoop Holly and Ivy Christmas ornament tutorial. That's my favorite Christmas song. I will walk you through the entire process from start to finish, and the best part is all of the ornaments in my Christmas songs ornament collection follow the same steps. So once you watch that tutorial, you'll be able to stitch this Carol of the Bells ornament with confidence. And yes, this design is free. To download, head over to my Patreon page at Prairie Chic Patterns, grab the files, choose your colors, and you'll be ringing in the season in no time. Thanks for watching. This design is free on my Patreon. Check the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more creative fun.